Alright, what's your name?
Dylan.
Alright, can you show us your monster maze?
Okay, here's it. First plate. You have to eat all of them. There's big ones too.
This one. Look.
No, that's a person. That's
On the ramp.
How do you get to the finish line?
And then
First, you gotta eat all the candy, or else it won't work.
and try to go on the building. Go can you get inside?
You have to eat all the candy. Every last one.
Mm-hmm.
But how do you get here?
I don't know.
You have to go through.
Go on the ramp.
See?
Whoa.
You can't cross the finish line because, like, you have to eat the candy.
Mm-hmm.
It's not letting me.
Why not go on the ramp?
Ta-da!
Alright, thank you.